Hi and welcome to Ditzy. Today we are looking at this fantastic Peppa Pig Play Big block set. We've got the garden house construction set, and by the looks of it there's some lovely little playthings, a little picnic table and a beautiful little house. So let's have a look on the back, shall we? Oh, same picture on the back. And on the side we've got one little Peppa figure. So let's get it open. So this is probably our base. Ooh, part of a seesaw. Lots of lovely bits and pieces. And some lovely stickers. Ooh, aeroplane, plant pot, little ball, dinosaur. Very cool. There we go. So, let's see what we've got. Oh, some little gable pieces for the roof. Lovely little main part of the house with a window. Oh look, it's a lovely little tree or a little bush. Very sweet. And some flowers. Oh, little picket fence. Very sweet. And there's our door. So I'll attach that into our door frame. Pop that in there. There we go. And Peppa. Let's get her open. Oh, look at that, isn't she sweet? There's a little tail, so that's the back. And there we go. Little Peppa block figure. Oh, she's got little rosy cheeks and little movable arms, look. And she can bend in the middle. Lovely. And turn her little head. Hello. There we go. Okay, so let's have a look. How does this set go together? If we put this over here, we can start building. Okay, first of all, let's put the door. Bing. And then let's put the window in its frame. There we go, just like in the picture. And then we can have a piece of the roof. And another piece. And we notice there's some lovely stickers on there, so we can put some lovely stickers, whatever we choose, on there, can't we? And then what else have we got? Beautiful little chair, look at that. Sweet little Peppa seat to go in the garden. Excuse me, Peppa. You could take a seat there if you like. There we go, she'll fit on there. Oh, lovely, and you can watch what we're doing. And then lovely little table. The table comes in two pieces. So we've got this piece. Ooh, looks like it's got a beautiful sundial shape in the middle. That's our base at the top of our table. And a little block to go underneath. Ta-da! Little picnic table. Here you go, Peppa. Now, what have we got? We can do a little flower. In our beautiful garden. And then we've got the lovely picket fence. Can go on the side. Now, what have we got here? Seesaw pieces. There we go, big seesaw bit in the middle. And we have this little attachment to go on it. I think I size in the top. There we go. Whee! I think Peppa needs a little friend to go on that with, doesn't she? There we go. And then we've got our beautiful little tree. And go over there. And then we've got more of the roof. 2 of those pieces. So they can go up here. There we go. And of course, it wouldn't be Peppa without a muddy puddle. There we go. Little muddy puddle for her to jump in. Because we love muddy puddles, don't we, Peppa? Oh, yes. Is that good fun? Oh, we could put that in her garden, couldn't we? And she can jump in it in there. Ta-da! Now, let's take a look at some stickers. Okay, we've got all kinds of pretty stickers. Who shall we put in our little tree or bush? We could put the little bumblebee like they had in theirs, or we could have maybe a little birdie. What do you think? Oh, this is a nice little birdie. There we go. He's sitting in a little bush having a sing-song. There we go. Maybe we can put one of his little friends in there. There we go. 2 little birds in a tree. There we go. And on the table, in the picture, they've got some cake and some watermelon. So let's have a look. What can we put on the table? Oh, a bowl of strawberries. Num num num. There we go. So somebody can have a yummy bowl of strawberries and yummy cake. Oh, very nice picnic. Now, let's put something on Peppa's door. Let's put a little porthole with Peppa on it. There we go. Peppa and her teddy. Oh, definitely Peppa's house. And shall we put a little owl up on the roof? There we go. Oh, do it too. He's a cute owl. There we go. A little pussycat. There we go. And I definitely think we need some lovely flowers to go around in the garden. Little blue flower. Little pink flower. And a little white flower. There we go. What do you think, Peppa? Oh yes, very pretty. Brilliant. And then we could have a little play block to go on her table. And a lovely little plant pot with what looks like a climbing rose in it. Oh, very pretty. I think that should go by her front door. There we go. Beautiful. Well, I think this is a beautiful little set, and there's all different ways you can decorate it and all different ways you can make it up. You could do it a different way if you wanted. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at this with me and with Pepper. Hello!
For more fun videos, like, comment and subscribe. This has been Ditzy Mum for DTSE, the Ditzy channel. Thanks for watching!